Welcome back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Looks like we got a little good news today, about time. But please first, subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, share my videos out, it would help me tremendously. And please leave your comments, I love to read your comments. Okay, I'm going to have a little message at the end of this video, but first I'm going to get into the stimulus stuff. It looks like we got a little good news coming out of Washington today. President Trump has said that if they don't soon get something done, he's going to use presidential powers to get something done himself. Now, what that is, we don't know. We don't even know if he's got the power to do it, but he is saying that he will use presidential power. He's got the help from a couple of people that's in the Fed to help him get this achieved. So maybe he is actually showing some courage to step up and do something, because we know up till now he really hadn't done anything. He said that he wants bigger checks for people. He said he wants checks faster for people. He's saying all the stuff that he wants, but he's not doing anything to exert his power to get it done. We know that Mooch McConnell has got the ultimate say in most things, but if he can call a economic emergency, state of emergency for our country, maybe that will get him more power, that he can do the things that he wants to do, like get us a bigger check, like extend the unemployment, get the payroll tax cuts that he wants. I mean, I don't want that, but if it takes it to get what we need in other areas, we ain't getting nothing right now. So I'm willing to compromise. I wish the Senate and the House was willing to compromise. And I'm sure most of y'all are willing to compromise. But yeah, President Trump is finally stepping up to the plate and saying that he's going to do certain things. Let's just see if he can, or let's just see if he will. We know he wants your vote in November, and if he can use his presidential power to get exactly what we need, that might be the only thing that saves him in November. We'll just have to wait and see, but it is good news that he is trying at least. Y'all, yesterday I made a video and my wife was in the video, so if you hadn't seen that video yet, go back and watch yesterday's video. I will link it at the end of this one. But yeah, she was in the video and I really enjoyed having her here. And that won't be the only time she's going to be in my video. She's going to be back once she gets all her strength back and gets feeling really good again. Y'all going to see exactly why I fell in love with her 39 years ago. Okay, until tomorrow, this will be my last video today. But until tomorrow, just know I love you all and keep your chins up. Keep your faith in God that something good is going to happen. At least Donald Trump is trying. That's good enough for me for right now. I just hope he can do what he says he's going to do. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up, your thumbs down. I really like the thumbs up. They really help me a lot. And share my videos out and leave your comments. And watch that video at the end. The one from yesterday and the one the day before. It would help me tremendously. I love you all. Ciao.